guys, this is a tutorial to Medicine by J-Lo or Jennifer Lopez. So the choreography is super easy to get and it's very repetitious. So you don't really have to worry about complicated movements in this one. I just want you to feel the music and have fun. So we start out feet kind of a little more than shoulder width, and you're doing a hip rock, but while you go down, you're kind of brushing those hands. So you're gonna go down, drop it, and come up. So it's kind of a roll down, brush down, pop up. And you're immediately gonna go into a low squat and pop those hips. So sped up, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, okay? Now, then you bring the feet together, and it's out, up, out, up, out, up, and out, up. 4 times. Hands go with, up. Try to get that knee up as high as you can. Gives you more of an ab crunch. All right? Then on that 4th one, we're gonna come out, and it's kind of a scoop with the arms. It's just a step out, but I want you to kind of scoop out with the arms. So you're gonna go out, 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 okay? Don't worry if you don't get the arms at first, but just step it out, step it out. So we're gonna do that 4 times, and then you're going to do a variation of that movement. So then it becomes a little more complicated. So you're gonna step out for 3, 3, 2, 1. But when you do that, I want you to roll the hips with it. So you're gonna go 3, 2, 1, and back. 3, 2, 1, and back. It's a little difficult to do slow. So what I want you to do is, and let your arms do whatever you want them to do. I have a tendency to kind of 2, 1, up, and 3, 2, 1, up. That brings us to the chorus. So I just want you to walk up for 2, 1, 2, and out, out, in. Back it up, 1, 2, 3. Up, up, out, out, in. Back it up, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now, there's a bridge part where French Montana does like kind of a little rap, and on that part is the only piece that's different from the rest of the routine. So on that part, I want you to go walk, walk, 1, 2, 3, turn to the other side, walk, walk, 1, 2, 3. That brings you back to the middle where you then start this action, okay? And then after we do those, we're gonna move out, 3, 2, and 1. Super easy to get. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, more great stuff is coming. Have a great